Hello friends, today we're going to make bacon and cheese egg bites using the sous vide cooking method.
Welcome to Real Food, Real Medicine, where Chef Dr. Margie empowers you to better health through real food, to your health and wealth.
Let's get started. We have a mixture here of eggs and cheese, ricotta cheese, sriracha, and some salt. We'll mix this up. Next, we're going to place it in the greased egg bites pan. And we have a little visitor here with us today. Hi, Mondo. Okay, next we're going to add bacon bits with cilantro. Oops, there you go, baby. Ooh, you like to see what Mommy's cooking, don't you? We'll tamp these down just a little bit, get them covered. Let's go ahead and cover this. Okay, as soon as our water temperature, oh, it just reached. Great, good timing. Be sure to check the recipe at the end of the video that has the complete cooking instructions and the nutrition info. And this is going to cook for 90 minutes. We'll come back and check on it shortly. Hello, the multi-cooker has completed its cooking cycle. The pan has been out for a little while to cool. And now let's go ahead and transfer these egg bites to a plate. Oh, they look good. All right, let's see if we can get them to pop out. Yep, there we go. And here you have Chef Dr. Margie's bacon and cheese egg bites. Enjoy to your health and wealth.
Be sure to check all my links below to contact me, subscribe, shop, and join my team. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video. From my kitchen and wine cooler to yours, I wish you a bon appetit to your health and wealth.